it's Chef Explosion, and today we're doing cooking with explosion. First lesson is making hash browns. Alright, first we gotta light up this candle over here because you know, don't wanna
smell like fart. So
alright, so you're just gonna put it over here. Alright, first we got a special guest from Perfect Daughterz. Her name is Nini, nickname. Her real name is Unique. Move out the way now. Alright, so first ingredients, this is what you're gonna need. Alright, so our first thing is and then second thing, onion powder. And garlic powder. Don't forget the flour, the big stuff. The big stuff.
Missed every time.
And we're also gonna need that. And also this. And whatever this thing is. And some eggs. And that's all, guys. Bye! We also need a sack of potatoes. Alright. Okay. First, we have to wash our hands. Alright. Now, you get the potatoes. Where's the potatoes?
Right there.
1 second. First, you gotta peel because you don't want any of the hairy stuff on you. In your mouth. Alright, so we're doing 4 potatoes because every 2 potatoes you need 1 egg. So if I didn't include this already, 4 potatoes and we're gonna need 2 eggs, alright? Alright guys, then you're gonna need to wash all these delicious little scrumptious potatoes. Gotta wash it thoroughly, yeah. Your hands. Gotta get into the cracks. Then you're gonna shake it off, and then you're gonna put it in the eggs, and yeah. All right, so she gotta grate it. So you're supposed to use the big one, lady.
What?
The big part.
Oh.
Yeah. Don't mind her. She's an idiot. Yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna be back grating it. Be done grating all of it, and I'm gonna go wash some dishes. Alright guys, so we got the grated potatoes. Please dry the measuring cup 1/4. And guys, these seasonings are optional. So garlic powder is optional. Onion powder. Wait, Bob, do we need onion powder? Alright,
Yes.
We don't need onion powder. It's just optional. And seasoning salt, optional too. Alright, so we got our measuring cup. It's dry. You need a 1/4 one. Alright, Bob, the flour.
Flour.
Flour. That's not Bob. It's just my associate. Anyways, so, alright. So, guys, I just talked with Bob, and, he said that we need 2 cups of 1/4 of flour. Alright? So, let's do it. If this flour would open. Wait, look at that powder. Look at that. Look at that flour, bro. Yeah. Alright, 1 more cup, guys. Alright, so now we need to crack 2 eggs. 2 eggs, guys. Since I did 4. 2 eggs. And since there was 4 potatoes, that means we need 2 cups of 1/4. Here you go, my associate. Crack it in there. Alright, my turn. Alright, so I gotta throw this egg away. And now, you just sprinkle this. You just sprinkle some of it, you know. You gotta eyeball it. Doesn't matter. Sprinkle it. You guys, you know what I'm saying, you know. Alright. And now, you're gonna go get your garlic powder. And then sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And then now, you're gonna get your onion powder. And then you're gonna sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And then yeah, you're gonna mix it. All right, so we're gonna sprinkle it with this thing, majigger. Spatula.
That's not sprinkling it.
I mean, stir it, not sprinkle. Stir it. Now, just gotta keep doing it until it looks good. Yeah. It's looking good, guys. Looking good, guys. Looking fantastic. Here, look, listen. Yeah. Sounds super disgusting. Gotta make sure all the powder is gone, guys. So, yeah. Yeah, it's good. Human versus Hashbrown Patties. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so now we're just gonna shape it. Disgusting. How are we supposed to shape it? Okay, never mind. I got it. I'm getting it. Just gotta do it like this, you know. My hands feel so weird. These patties is going good. Alright guys, so now we got our little stove thingamajigger. Cause, you know, I just want to use this. I don't want to use that stove over there. Alright, now we're gonna fry it. Be right back with you. Alright guys, now we have to heat up oil. See, we're using vegetable oil. You know, it's delicious, alright? Even though oil don't have flavor, but you know. Gotta put in the oil now. So put it on max, you know. Vegetable oil. Just gotta pour the whole dang thing. Do not think that's enough, guys. Alright. So I don't think y'all can see it, so alright guys, now we have to put the patties, the hash brown patties, inside the pot. Alright guys, so you're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, so now we're going to flip the hash browns and put 5 more minutes. Flippity flip flip, flippity flip flip, and flippity flip flip. See you in 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, so we're going to take the hash browns and put it in this. And then, yeah. Alright. You can put not toilet paper. You can put, you know, napkins below it so it can absorb the, you know, the oil. But, you know, I ran out of napkins, so, because I'm that poor people. Yeah. So, we're going to make a couple more batches. And, yeah, see you later. Alright guys, so now we're done with the product. I mean, we still got some more in here, but you know, there's only 3, and we don't feel like waiting for that minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna try it. Okay, here you go, guest. And this one's for me. And now we're gonna rate this. Alright, so you gotta hear the crisp. You wanna hear it? Alright. Oh. Help! Yeah. Now we're gonna taste it. Taste it. They're delicious. Really good. It's not as good as McDonald's though, so I give it a 6.
I give it a 8.
Alright guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you whatever you wanted us to make next. You know, cooking with Explosion. And she's just extra right now. See y'all next time in my next cooking show. Remember, Chef Explosion. Bye-bye now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.